Friends, we are going to discuss regarding a public interest litigation filed by an advocate regarding the preferential treatment in the Supreme Court in the registry, and also is called discriminatory attitude, and also in the listing of the cases policy. Right. So very recently, advocate, his name is Reepak Kansal. So he filed a public interest litigation before the Honorable Supreme Court of India. So requesting the Supreme Court of India's intervention in order to dissuade the registry in the registry ecosystem from discriminatory and humiliating the clients. Right? So what's happening normally, whenever you have to file a case or you have to file a plea before the Supreme Court, you have to file before the registry, Supreme Court registry, separate department. The advocate on record, you will file it before. So due to this pandemic, COVID-19, normally you are not even allowed to go there. You have to file in the so-called e-filing methodology. Right? So this man Reepak Kansal, his ego was hurt, or he was literally, we have seen previously in this case of Arnab Goswami, we will come it later. So this Kansal, he stated that the section officers and the registry of the Supreme Court routinely gives preferences to some influential advocates and also influential law firms for the reasons best known to them. Right? So this is definitely indiscrimination, particularly against the so-called ordinary lawyers and ordinary petitions. So definitely this is against the equal opportunity to get justice in the Honorable Court, because there is no strict system, there is no strict procedure about the taking of the cases on file. This is the allegation, please. Right. So normally he wanted, definitely he was hurt, already told you. He cited a personal reference where his letters of urgency, and it fell the deaf ears of the registry, and they have pointed out certain defects which were unwarranted. So unwarranted defects, that means queries. So the registry disparaged against the listing of his matter. Ultimately, she has commented that why it was not taken on file, what are objections, all these things. Definitely, and once you object, finish. The matter is goes to the cold storage. Same thing happened. Even after the compliance, that is letter of urgency and curing of defects, then the registry failed to list his case. That's why I have been time and again telling, this is the probability or probable cause for having contempt against the officers or any department, particular any revenue, police, municipality, judiciary. No doubt everybody is liable for the curse of the common man, because when once a person comes with a representation, when any files come to the officers, normally they want to make a query and return it back. Normally in other countries it doesn't happen. They will call him, they will ask him to rectify, they will give suggestions. Here they don't give suggestions. So whether it takes time or not, better I want to tell you. So when the AP Police Manual was about to be reorganized or rewritten, at the time a committee was formed, and fortunately or unfortunately I was one of the, of course, sub-inspector level member in that. Then we were supposed to write about the citizen charter. So when we went to the general public and questioned what the public told us, so this is regarding police. So what they wanted is, whenever we go to a police station, let them say, please sit down. That's what we want. That's all. Nothing more than that. So that means people don't pay any heed to them. They will not be asked even to sit down. No doubt offering tea, offering coffee, these are all gone. So nowadays you have been Telangana police, what they're, when the Shamik trains are going, these people are going and supplying tiffins, supplying coffee, supplying buttermilk to them. No doubt, it's a good gesture, social work we have to do. But What about the common man coming to a police station? He will be looked down. That is what they said in those olden days. About 20 years back it happened. So same thing is still now continuing. Maybe departments, maybe otherwise. Of course, people may not accept it, but ground reality is this only. So please remember, seeing the disparity and discrimination on the part of the Supreme Court registry, he made a complaint to the Supreme Court, of course, Supreme Court Secretary General, but to no use or to no response. And this advocate Reepak Kansal says there is no grievance mechanism in the registry. How to deal with complaints filed earlier, what are the urgent matters, all these things. So there are certain circumstances where he was forced to pay the court fee once again, even though he stated that he has deposited in the court. These are the things. So now let us come to the case of Arnab Goswami. You may be knowing on 21st May this incident happened. On the same night when he was going, he was attacked by some people called Sonia Gundas. All these things happened. He reported the matter, and on that night at 8:07 p.m. they filed a petition before the Supreme Court, and mind you, on the next day by 10:30 it came as the first case, whereas they have left all the other cases. They came later. How this discrimination has come? So because, is it so urgent because Arnab Goswami was the editor of the so-called Republic TV? All these questions have come. So how, that's why he is saying that the influential law firms and influence lawyers definitely, in other words we can say, they are managing the Supreme Court registry. So in other cases, the filing section, they take days together by pointing out the defects one after the other, and normally if it is filed by the ordinary petitioner's lawyers, there is abnormal delay by taking it. So normally this is the allegation, or definitely it has come out. When we studied that so-called Arnab Goswami incident, at that time itself I told you, please refer to my video also. Right, anyway, so it is hurting the, definitely, or hurting the, I cannot say ego, hurting the sentiments of the advocates also. So we cannot categorize the influential advocates on even the so-called virtual hearing. In that also, the advocates who are influential, they are getting preferential treatment. This is allegation. No doubt, please remember, the courts on the defense of the Supreme Court or other courts, what they say, they will say that if any urgent matters are there, you can file before 12 noon, or urgent matter it will be heard, like that they will be telling. But the ground reality is there is no proper procedure by the registry. The time they will not enter. Even to be frank, we have been seeing, suppose if I wanted to get the bail application before a particular judge, then if I file it, so the concerned clerk will tell me odd number will go, serial number will go, third number will go, like this. So my petition will go at the particular fourth time when it will reach the so-and-so judge before whom I want. So these are things can be managed, of course. Nobody can help it. It can be. But anyway, there should be some proper procedure. So filing the application for urgent hearing or letter, etc., they should be taken into consideration. So definitely the urgent listing should be taken. No doubt the procedure will be there. Everybody has to adopt the procedure. Here now the reply from the Supreme Court will be definitely there is no such thing happening. Our people are doing something. Anyway, otherwise they may reprimand their staff also. But anyway, this is a good. The point has come. Because the person, normally people will keep it to their heart, they don't mention. At least Reepak Kansal came out. Even for that matter, the President of the Supreme Court Bar Association, he has also written a letter highlighting the problem previously. And actually he requested not to point out unnecessary defects. Common defects, okay, unnecessary defects. Yes, we have been seeing defects. We will not have the defects. So many people will be having defects. Even the judgments of the courts also, they will be sound. The typists, they will be typing so many mistakes. For example, in OS number 74 by 2012, the defendant is Boyapati Ramadevi. It was typed in the back, So what is the defendant has been avoiding obligation to reference so he like that he failed, the defendant failed is to perform his part of contract, which has to be written as she. Type mistake will be coming, but anyway, it is better if the Supreme Court can look into the issue and rectify the defects if any. No doubt, if the problem is there in the advocates, they can also be taken to task. If it is there on their staff, they can be once again advised or warned, things like that. But anyway, a grievance, it has to be ratified. Thank you.